It's lesson time or it's time to get learned?
Whatever you want. Hey Matt, what time is it?
It's time to get learned. That's what time it is.
Let's go learn you some business here. So for those of you with pets, right? Like obviously we all know pets damage the lawn. Now you can see these spots here. You can see these spots here. And I'm not even gonna show you over there. It is horrible. But lesson number 1. This is obviously a pet urine problem. Now, right here, especially around this sign, right? This is a no parking sign. But besides the point, this is from pet urine, right? Pet urine. This is gross. For one thing, I wish you could smell what this smelled like. What's that rock? What, the rock? Can you smell what is cooking? Is that what the rock says? But anyways, so look, I mean, you can see it's just burnt, it's still wet. The problem here is too many people allow their dog obviously to pee on this sign. Now, one way that you can avoid this, now see, obviously these are big apartments. People don't give a crap. They're just gonna let their dog go to the bathroom anywhere they want, right? So take for instance, during the winter time, they come walking out here, they freaking let their dog pee, right? And then they'll let them take a poo, and they're supposed to be cleaning them up. I don't see any here. They're doing a fairly good job of that. But the main problem is they come to this specific spot. So a male dog loves to pee on stuff like this. Therefore, there's probably a lot of dogs. Well, I know there's a lot of dogs here, but the same dog is peeing in this spot. Now, the only way that you're going to fix this problem, and correct me if I'm wrong, if there's products you want to send me, I'll test them out, whatever, okay? Let's get on board here. Let's test this stuff out. But over here, it's even worse. There's Matt, there's Mob Street. Let's all say hi to Mob Street. Hi, Mob Street. But anyways, okay, so check it out though, for reals. Just take your dog to a different location. Walk it across the street, let it pee somewhere else. These guys don't care here because it's an apartment building. But if you care at your own house, basically is what you're gonna do is you are going to allow your dog to go to the bathroom in different areas over the winter. Now, if you have a girl dog, she's gonna pee all over your lawn, she's gonna kill it. You're gonna have spots. If you have a male dog, if he pees on a bush too much, it's gonna kill that bush. Trust me, I know this. I have dogs. 12 of them. Or 11 or 12 or 13. I don't even know how many dogs I have right now. Maybe 13, 12, somewhere around there is how many dogs I have. A lot of males, well, no. A lot of females and a few males. But that's besides the point. If you want to correct this problem, I don't know. It's an ongoing problem. I've never seen a solution for it. People say they've got products and pills that'll blah, 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 the acidic content in your female's pee. It's not that. It's basically fertilizer. You're dumping a load of fertilizer in the exact same spot on the lawn. It's gonna kill it right where they pee. So I don't know of any solutions. Please tell me if there's some solutions. If you are a company that makes solutions, send it to me. I'm gonna link my P.O. box below so that you can send it to me. Okay? Yes. But that's that. That's for this video. It's disgusting, some of the stuff we got to deal with as far as pets go, and it's getting worse and worse. More people are allowing these service dogs, emotional sport dogs. I mean, if you need it, you need it. Great. but we gotta find a solution to this lawn stuff. We gotta have some fake pet grass or something. But anyways, peace out. That's it. I'm gonna go work. I gotta go start blowing some stuff off. So like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and come on.